I didn't know I would say this, but yes, I definitely do miss going to office. I just hope we can get rid of the COVID-19 situation as soon as possible.
Hit the like button if you agree with Adnan. I definitely do. And talking about office, Adnan did his US CPA while working full time and was recently placed with a very cool MNC. Keep watching to know how you can balance US CPA, a job, and also crack an interview. Adnan, why did you take up US CPA when you were, already working?
So I completed my CA. I'm a qualified chartered accountant, and once I started working, I realized that there is a great deal which CPA can add to your profession and your career. And being a globally recognized certification, I thought CPA is the way to go.
How challenging was it for you to pursue your job and US CPA together?
So I think when it comes to working and studying, it does get a bit challenging. The whole idea is to be able to manage your time, especially on weekends, when you want to just take some time off, watch a movie or two, or go out with your friends. You need to dedicate a minimum of maybe 1 or 2 hours every single week or working day. And on the weekends, you need to put in those maybe 4 or 5 hours. I think that's sufficient. And with miles education, with the OTPs and the MCQs, as long as you can maintain that regularity, that consistency in your studies, I think you are good to go.
So you were studying, working, and then you were placed by Miles. How was the experience like?
So actually, it's really fantastic, to have a job jump, right in between your studies. If you're a working professional, you have that prior experience, so that also really helps you. So if you're working and if you're looking to upskill or move up in your career, I think the CPA is that's a very helpful program.
It seems like you love what you do. What keeps you inspired to be in this field?
When you're in the world of finance, there is new things cropping up every single day. So if you're into the equity markets, if you're into tracking securities or pricings or valuations, it's a very dynamic world, and there's a lot of changes, a lot of new updates, and there's a lot of new things always happening. So that change, that dynamic environment that we are in, and all of those new things that keep coming up, I think that's what keeps me really excited.
Did you guys know Miles has over 15 different executive programs for working professionals to upskill in various fields like US CPA, US CMA, analytics, finance, HR? Visit our website to know more.
I mean, don't lose hope. There's sometimes it takes time to get your dream job or the profile that you're looking for. Second tip is once you get a shot at the interview, don't let go of it. Like, don't just take it easily. Make sure you give it your best. Make sure you prepare. Make sure you research about the role, and you really give it your all when you go in for the interview. Be a little patient around the whole interview process, because it can take time. Sometimes candidates, they get a little uneasy that I got a call now, but I'm not getting a call back. It can take some time, so just be a little patient around that.
Never lose hope. Definitely the most important advice one can get. Lastly, Adnan, what's your advice to working professionals like yourself?
We could probably do to upskill is just be updated with the latest trends and how you can make yourself relevant in this computerized or this automated kind of world. And for that, you just need to be constantly upskilling. You need to be aware about the latest technologies, the latest developments, and how you can add more value to it and how you can use it to your favor. So, CPA, like it said, it's a degree which is recommended for working professionals. So if you're working and if you're looking to upskill or move up in your career, I think the CPA is that's a very helpful program.